Hello, everybody. Thank you for coming to see about your girl, CC. That's me. I'm in my room. I'm sneaking. I'm finna open up one of my Christmas presents right now that one of my daughter gave me. Don't tell nobody. Yeah, I know tomorrow is Christmas. Bang! You gonna let me do me? Y'all know it's just like I am. Something was delivered and not brought. So that might be a good thing. Might be another Michael Kors purse. It look like it. And it's another Michael Kors. And it's pink and black, so I like it. I like it. Pink is my color. You know, my Michael Kors go a long way. I still have a Michael Kors purse. It's black. And I had that Michael Kors purse I will kid you not, I won't lie to you. I have that purse for 10 years. And it's leather. And it's still in good condition. So, I got another one. One of my daughters brought me another one. She always was good purses. Ah! It's a wallet too, y'all. Oh, it's a set. That's what I'm talking about. Because I've been needing another wallet. Because the wallet I had, Betty Boo is not doing the do no more. She is breaking all up. And I've been had Betty Boo wallet probably a year now. So, you can find some good quality of purses and wallets out there. You just have to shop around and take care of your stuff. Somebody coming in my room. Oh, I thought they was coming in my room. It's nice inside. I got a little wallet too, compartment. There's a compartment in the back. And then pockets on the side. And yeah. I don't like purses like this. I like them with long strings. You know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to look for long strings. There's no long strings. But you know, it's still me. It's still me. I can't adjust it or anything, but you know, it's still me. I like it. I like it. And the little logo and everything. I got by me an outfit. I like it. So, anyway, and my other daughter, she bought me good presents too. But I ain't gonna open hers up till tomorrow. Because she stays with me, so she know. But my other daughter, she brought me some more like a pink and black purse. So I like it. I like it. So anyway, just came on here to show you that. And sneak and peek in my Christmas early presents. Just one. So I'll be back on tomorrow to let y'all see some more of my stuff. Remember to please subscribe, like, and share. In between time, in the meantime, as I always say, thank you for coming to see about your girl, CC.